Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Android phone if you forgot your password. And some of your phones, you might be able to just enter in the PIN code or the pattern 5 times, and it'll allow you to reset your password with like an email address or something like that. But on other phones, it's going to lock it. And what you'll need to do is put it into the recovery mode and then factory reset it. So to do this, it's rather easy. Just go on over to the power button and hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Then when the screen goes black, switch to volume up and power button. So let's hold this down now. We'll take a screenshot. Continue to hold this down at the same time. When the screen goes black, switch to power and volume up and continue to hold this down until the name of the phone goes away. Now if you have a third button, press and hold that third button down when you're pressing volume up and power button at the same time. So for example, on the Samsung phone, and then when Honor goes away, the name of the phone, the brand, it should boot into the recovery mode. So I'm going to let go. Here's the recovery options. Then all I want to do is use the volume down key and go on over to where it says clear data right here, and then press the power button. And this will wipe everything off your phone, including your recovery, like your password PIN, your biometrics, etc. And then you can log back into your phone, and you're going to have to sign in with your Google account once again. So very easy to do that, and then you should be able to log in, no problem. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.